Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Knowledge Hut. Please do like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. My today's topic is human blood. Composition of blood. Blood is composed of mainly two parts, plasma and blood cells. The blood cells are of three types, erythrocytes, leukocytes and thrombocytes. Blood is a fluid connective tissue. It consists of liquid plasma and cells. The blood pH is 7.4. The total volume in human female is about 4 to 5 liters and 5 to 6 liters in human males. The blood is composed of plasma, blood cells and blood platelets. Plasma. The plasma is slightly alkaline fluid. It is straw colored. The main components of plasma are water, plasma proteins, ions, nutrients, waste products, gases, and regulatory hormones. The plasma proteins regulate osmotic pressure, antibody formation, and blood clotting. Blood cells. There are three types of blood cells: red blood cells, white blood cells, and blood platelets. Types of blood cells. Blood cells are of three types. First one is red blood cells, which is also known as erythrocytes. The main function of RBCs is it helps in exchange of carbon dioxide and oxygen into the blood. The second one is white blood cells, which is also known as leukocytes. Leukocytes are further of five types: neutrophils, eosinophils, basophils, lymphocytes, and the last one is monocytes. The main function of white blood cells is fight against infection. The third one is blood platelets, which is also known as thrombocytes. The main function of thrombocytes is its help in blood clotting. Red blood cells. These are also known as erythrocytes. These are circular, biconcave and non-nucleated cells. The lifespan of RBCs is 20 to 120 days. The main component of RBCs is a colored protein which is known as hemoglobin, and hemoglobin provide the red color to the blood. The hemoglobin transport oxygen to the body. The oxygenated form of hemoglobin is oxyhemoglobin. RBC cells are manufactured in bone marrow and degenerated into the spleen. Here the question arises, what is the graveyard of RBCs? So the answer is spleen is also called as the graveyard of RBCs. White blood cells. These are clear cells lacking hemoglobin. These are nucleated cells with amoeboid movement. These are also called as leukocytes. The main function of white blood cells is they protect the body against invading microorganisms and remove dead cells from the body. These are of five types. Types of white blood cells: neutrophils, eosinophils, basophils, lymphocytes, and the monocytes. Lymphocytes are the smallest leukocytes and monocytes are the largest leukocytes. Last component is blood platelets, which is also known as thrombocytes. These are minute fragments of cells which plays an important role in coagulation of blood. The formation of blood platelets takes place in bone marrow. The lifespan of blood platelets is 5 to 10 days, and the most important thing is the number of blood platelets reduced in the disease dengue. Thanks for watching. Do Like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel.